Welcome, daring minds. I'm Sizzle the Spicy Pepper, and I've cooked up 5 sizzling riddles just for you. Can you solve them all before I sprinkle some extra spice? Let's see. I'm round and baked, cheese and toppings I often take. What am I? It's pizza. Did you know pizza was first made in Naples, Italy, in the 18th century, and became popular worldwide because of its versatility? I'm white and granular, sweetened tea or desserts quite regular. What am I? It's sugar. Ancient civilizations like the Indians first produced sugar over 2,500 years ago, long before modern processing. I'm tiny, black or brown, I wake you up without a frown. What am I? It's a coffee bean. Coffee beans were first discovered in Ethiopia, and now billions of cups are consumed every day worldwide. I'm eaten in layers, soft and sweet, sometimes creamy delight. What am I? It's cake. Cakes have been made for thousands of years, evolving from simple flatbreads to layered dessert masterpieces. I'm frozen but not ice, scooped in cups to delight your slice. What am I? It's sorbet. Sorbet originated in the Middle East and was brought to Europe, long before ice cream became popular. You've spiced up your brain with all 5 riddles. Which one was your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical, fun riddles with me, Sizzle the Pepper.